Okay, so this is the mini video to cover ratio and proportion type problems. So the problem that I'm looking at as an example would be problem number 8 on the Unit 1 practice test. So the problem says you are working with a stock potassium hydroxide solution that contains 43 grams of potassium hydroxide for every liter of solution. If I want to make 300 milliliters of solution, how much potassium hydroxide will I be weighing out? The important thing to recognize about these problems is that we're not changing the concentration. I'm just taking the concentration in a certain quantity and making up a different quantity. So for this example, you see I've got 43 grams in every liter, and now I have 300 milliliters of that solution. So how many grams am I going to need? So the best way to set this guy up is to simply work it out as two fractions that are equal to each other. So I know that there are 43 grams in every 1 liter. I'm trying to find grams in this new quantity, so I can put my x right there, and the new quantity is 300 milliliters. Well, anytime I'm going to work with two fractions and I want them to be equal, I need to make sure that I've set the units equal to each other. I can't have liters here and milliliters there. I need to do something to make them equal. So I can just convert one or the other. For me, it's easiest to convert the 300. So I'm going to take 300 milliliters, and doing it the long way, I want to go from milliliters to liters. So if milliliters is on the bottom, I can cancel those out. I know the connection between liters and milliliters is that there are 1,000 milliliters for every 1 liter. So when I do the math and I multiply across, I get 300 divided by 1,000, which I know is 0.3 liters. Okay, so I can go in here and I can set this up again. 43 grams for every 1 liter is going to be how many grams in 0.3 liters? I cross multiply and I get x equals 43 times 0.3. And when I work this guy out, I get x equals 12.9. I go back up. What were the units I was looking for? Grams. So I can put grams, KOH.